welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Savage from Life on the Savage Farm. The plans for today, you guys, is we're going to be cleaning up this art room in here that I'm sitting in. There's stuff all over the floor. I got boxes all over the floor, little odds and ends, all my craft stuff, a few things here and there, a cluttered mess on top of my file cabinet, and a cluttered mess on top of my shelving. It all needs to be reorganized, decluttered, you name it. I gotta get it all straightened up because there's just stuff everywhere. So if y'all are new, welcome to my channel. We're so glad to have you be a part of our YouTube family. Be sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. That way you can be notified of when I've uploaded more videos. And do give this video a thumbs up before you leave because as always, it really helps out my channel. And if you're ready to tackle this mess with me, let's get started. Y'all, I hope you're ready for some serious cleaning because I've been saving this real life mess just for you. So now you have no excuse but to clean with me in a room of your choice that is close to mine. Real life messes are where it's at. Seriously, it's me showing you that you're not alone in this. You should see my other rooms. They're worse than this one. But we will get to those later. As I've mentioned it before, don't stress over the mess. You will get to it. It's life, stuff happens, so we just take it one day at a time because we are all in this together. Dear Lord, y'all, who has this much stuff in one spot? Am I the only one that does this? Actually, I have stuff like this in many spots, numerous catch-all areas. It's horrible. I'll look at something, get distracted, put it down, walk away, and start another catch-all area. And then I'm saying to myself, I'll get back to it. No, we need to quit that. So for me, the best way to handle on not having so many catch-all areas is to take care of it right then and there. When something's given to you, or you go check the mail, or anything that is given to you, you just put it away right then and there instead of saying, I'll get back to it. That really is what adds on to your mess. this little turtle. First little turtle that I ever drew. My mom said I was 5. Isn't it cute? Blue and pink. As soon as she saw this, she's like, that girl's got talent. Ooh! And then before I knew it, as I got older and older, I had so many art classes, y'all. She wanted to make sure that this talent stuck. And it did. So I'm glad she stuck me in all those classes. What's that saying? Mothers know best. Yep. Y'all want some great books to read? Christopher Paolini. Christopher Paolini. It's been a while, so I wanted to fresh y'all's memory again and update those who are new to my channel. Hi, my name is Jessica, but you can call me Jessie or Jess. Hearing Jessica sounds like my mom and dad are talking to me. It's like you know you're in trouble when you're called by your full name, like Jessica, like, oh my god, what did I do? So call me Jessie or Jess, whatever floats your boat. But I'm a mother of 3 awesome kids. Christopher is 12, Alyssa is 10, and Dylan is 5. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I do cleaning videos, lifestyle, makeovers, organization, farm life videos, basically anything else that I can fit here for being a stay-at-home mom. So I welcome you to our family. Thank you so much for being a part of our channel, and seriously, your love and support means everything. This YouTube journey has been a blessing. Met some awesome ladies along the way who I can call friends and family because that's what they do. They make you feel like you're a part of their family. And this community, my followers, y'all are so sweet. Thank you, and we're so glad to have you.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, no
Some of you know, but wanted to share with you that I threw out my lower back last week. You're probably like, what? You look just fine. You're all over the place cleaning in this video. Your lower back? No, I did. I really threw out my lower back and I've been in bed for a week. So, a lot of my YouTube videos I record back to back. Like, I can end up recording 4 videos in 1 week because I had the time, especially with so much cleaning that has to be done. Instead of packing a full day in one, I honestly do it in sections. That way I'm not stressed, it's more footage, and I don't have to worry about what the next video is going to be. Plus, your editing time is cut down in half, maybe a little more. So I want y'all to try that. Plan your week and write down 4 things you want to accomplish during that week. Start with that first one. Don't overdo it, but just add a little bit of side cleaning to that video. Keep that first task you wrote down as your main focus. Does that make sense, y'all? You don't have to jam it all in one video. Put it in sections, spread it out, and then just break it apart. You'll see much more videos being produced and feel less stressed.
Is your head spinning too?
Oh yeah, so fresh and so clean, clean. Da 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 da. So fresh and so clean, clean. Thank the good Lord, this room is done. How about y'all's? Well, I hope you were cleaning along with me because that's the only way that you were gonna get this done. I hope you guys got a ton of motivation and inspiration from this clean. I sure did. Remember to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and head over to my Instagram, Life on the Savage Farm, for more stories and photos that I post there. Would love to connect with you guys. I'd be your best friend till the end. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. So I guess I will see you guys again right back here with a brand new video.